Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah wa ala ahli wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. We welcome you back to another Dollars training and coaching program. We ask Almighty Allah to assist us and bless our work. This is the 5th video in Halal Dollars Done With You program. So if you are new to the series or you are new to the channel, I enjoin you to subscribe to the channel right now and go to the description of this video to watch the past videos and come back to watch this particular one. Like, subscribe, comment, and share the video to your loved ones. So we are on code emailing, and the thing we are going to be discussing in this video is scraping and verifying. So if you want to scrape leads from LinkedIn, you need LinkedIn account. I mentioned it before in the past video, and then I said you should subscribe to LinkedIn Sales Navigator trial 30 days. You should not use the card that will link with your bank account, because after 30 days, they are going to remove your money. So you should only use the card that you are not using again, or there's no money in the account. I mentioned this before. And you can use your cheaper card. We mentioned that the cheaper card is working, and we have shown you how to create one. And also, we mentioned that 2 or more people can use just one cheaper card. So it's not compulsory that each person has to use his own card. And as you have seen, that this can only be done on laptop. This scraping can only be done on laptop. So that's why we make sure that we have at least 5 people who have laptop in each group. So one person that has laptop can do for himself, and another person just for 2 people. So that's why everybody is going to be doing. But you that you don't have laptop, you should create your emails and submit those emails to the person that has laptop to scrape for you. So this is it. So this scraping can only be done with laptop, because you can see it needs you to install some things that it's not possible for you to, or it's going to be hard for you to install it on your phone. So when you come to your LinkedIn account here, so you are going to see the sales nav here. So I will open this in a new tab. So this is the sales navigator. So I will go to scrap.io. I will click on sign up for free. When you click on sign up for free, this is where you come to. You enter your name and you enter your email. So this is the email address I want to use. And you enter your password here. Then you sign up. Click on sign up for free. All right. So I'll go to my email address, as you can see. So I'll click on confirm email. So I'll click on login. So I've signed up for scrap.io, and I'm logged in into scrap.io now. So the very first thing I want to do after logging into this scrap.io is that I want to install the Chrome extension. I'll click on this install email finder. I'll click on Chrome because I'm using Chrome. So I will add to Chrome, add extension. So it is added. I will click on this place and pin it so that I can see it here. All right, I'll go back to Scrap, to the dashboard. The second thing I want to do is that I want to create a list. So I will create a list with any name, but make sure you add dates, the date of the day you are creating the list, so that it's going to be very easier for you to use. But just use any name and add the date. Let me say YT. I will just add the date. Well, I want to just only use YT now for this tutorial purpose. Now I've installed the email finder and I've also created the list. So the next thing I want to do now is that I will go to Sales Navigator, then I will search. So it depends on what you are doing. So it depends on the people you are targeting. The people you want to offer the services for. So as for in this tutorial, I'm going to be targeting leadership coach. So you are still going to give you your niche. You're going to be targeting for each and every group. So, but for this tutorial, I just want to write this leadership coach. But these are the people who I've worked with in the past. So, leadership coach, you're going to put it in quotes like this and search. So LinkedIn is telling us that we have 56,000 leadership coaches registered on LinkedIn. I can come down here under geography and put the location. Perhaps I choose United States. You can see 35,000 out of these 56 are located in United States. So maybe I just want to put maybe New York or Texas. Include. You can see 2.5K. That means we have 2,500 leadership coaches registered on this LinkedIn that are based in Texas in United States. So how do you now use the scrap.io to extract these people now? I will just click on it here. All right. So now I will choose the list. You can see the YT, the list I created. So search for emails and save leads found with emails only. I will check this to click on this. Very fast. You can see. So if I should go back to my LinkedIn, my Scrap account, all those people, they have been added here automatically. These are you can see leadership coach, leadership coach. Been added here. So that is I've done this first page. On LinkedIn, you usually have 25 people on the page. So I'll go to the next page now. Page 2. You can see this page 2. Then I'll click on this scrap again. I will choose the list YT that I created. I will check this to click on launch email finder. So if I should go to this place again, they are already been added again. You can see I've used 30 out of the 50 credits I'm given for free. You know, scrap.io will give you 50 credits for free. So I've used 30 from these 2 pages I've done. So let me go to page 3. So I'll click on this. I will choose the list. I will check the 2. Click on this. Nice. So if I come to this place now, so I've used 45 out of the 50. So the 5 left cannot be used to scrap a whole page. That means I just have to let that one. So I'm done with this particular account. The next thing to do is to download this list. So I'll click on download data. I will check this valid and cache all. I will download as Excel. So download. So I will open. So I can click enable editing. So these are my leads. So these are the emails. We are going to verify the emails from another source. So the free one I found online that I usually use is the one I'm going to show you now. And that is this promoter kit, promoterkit.com. So you come to this particular website and sign up. So you enter your name. You can just enter any random name here and you enter any email. Here, temp mail can work. Go to tempmail.org. Mail.org. This is just a temporary disposable email you can use online to sign up on any site you don't like to enter your real email. So when you come to this page, it's going to give you email automatically. And if you receive an email, it's going to show here. So it's loading the email. I will copy it. And I will go to this page and enter the email here. So it's asking for password. I'm still going to use the same email. This is what I will do. I will delete data ads and make the first one to be capital letter. So I'll copy everything again, paste it here because I have to repeat the password. I will submit. Okay, this is already used. So if this email is already used, what you can do is just click on delete. You're going to delete this one, give you a new one. I'm the one that actually used this one before to sign up for this particular on this particular website. So I will copy this. I will try this again. I will enter this, paste. I'll still paste here. I will delete everything after ads. I will change S to capital letter. I will copy everything. Then I will paste it in. Alright, save. So I will come in. I should have the email as it comes. I'll click on it. I will log in. So I'm here now. So I'll click on email. I'll click on bulk email verifier. Here now, the maximum you should enter should be 20. So you can duplicate it in multiples. So you enter 20 in each one. So you come to your email. So I should just copy 20, maybe from 2 to 22. I will copy this and paste it here. Then I click on validate. So if you're having a lot, you can just go and copy another one and paste it in this other one that's already duplicated. So now I will start from 23. I do it to 43. I don't have up to that here. That's what you should do normally. You copy it 2020. So I'll paste this one here. I'll click on validate too. So this one will be running. I can check this. Okay, this one is doing now. So if you have another one, you can do it here too. Just make sure you know what you are doing. You can check it. It's still doing the page. Okay, they're all done. So when they are done, just click on export to CSV. Then you open. So this is the result now. All the emails I did. This is the result. So you can just copy all this result now. Copy the result. So you go to your list that you had. You started from this place. So let's insert a column. So I'm inserting a free column. So I want to paste the result here. I will paste like this. You can see now, this is deliverable. That means this email is good. This one is bounce. It is not good. Unreachable, not good. Bounce, not good. Deliverable, all these ones are good. Accept all, good. So you can see the ones that are bouncing. If you compare it with this one is saying that all of these are casual and verified, that all of them are good. But when we use external sources now, we still saw that some of the emails actually bounce like this. Bounce and unreachable, they are not good. You are going to delete them. How you are going to be deleting them, how you are going to manage everything, that's going to be very easier for you. We are going to show you. But now in this particular video, we learned how to register on scrap.io, how to use it to scrap leads from LinkedIn, how to export the lead, and how to verify the lead with an external website. So that's all we have done. We ask community Allah to assist us. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your loved ones in WhatsApp groups, Facebook groups. Let more people to join. Even if they can't join our group and combine in 10, they can combine with their family members or their friends to work together as a team. So there's no problem with that. We ask community Allah to assist us. And inshallah, we are going to be looking at how we can accommodate more groups if you have capacity for that. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah wabarakatuh.